Any more wants to visit their bathroom? One more is going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have nothing to do. Count those who are going to the bathroom.
A few moments later.
Everybody has come? Still in there, people? Still there. Okay, we'll wait. Don't have to pull them out. Let them take their time. Anybody else had to go before we meditate? See, when you think about it, you feel like... I think it's like when you think about food, you feel hungry. You think about that room in that corner. You want to go there?